leveling kit for it. For rough country, Sean. It's on an incline right now, but the rear end is sitting way higher than the front. We got some 2.5. Holy shit. That looks like about 8. Time to make this thing high to the sky. Bowfishing platform, I got it in pieces right now, like a damn Lego set. Just laying out here. I had to brush all the dirt off because it's been sitting out back. Wow, that thing is bowed like a mofo. But I gotta drill some holes in the bed real quick. Oh yeah. Small bolts here to go through. I promise this works. Right. I promise these will hold your weight. Like that, man. Don't do that. Like Spider-Man.
Better hope the safety guy don't come along. Still want handrails on that.
I'm getting them on next week, I promise. I want to test it out real quick. This will be like at them redneck places. They got their stripper poles on the side. Don't drop nothing. I don't know how well it's gonna ride. It may ride worse, or it might ride a little better because the shocks that are on are probably originals, so they're probably wore the out.
Need some new springs. Sheesh.
Yeah, springs are rough. Maybe we'll powder coat them. We'll paint them to match. Yeah, right. Got short extension and get that shock loose. What you think, Ozzo? Yeah. Oh yeah, they look good. If your truck leaks oil, be a man. Just buy a leveling kit. Don't fix it. Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah, 707 2000. This is original shock. First time compression up a spring. Never done this before, so. All right, we got a spring out. It's under some tension.
It's like a grenade.
And I don't think these are made for these bigger coils because these pins are supposed to go on like the top side of it to help lock it in. We're gonna go ahead and get the spacers put in, get it all back together. See how bad it bends the bed?
It doesn't look like it's bending it really.
Okay. Dude, oh, that is a sick. Oh, oh my, that's really bad. Dude, oh, that is a sick spoiler, bro.
I see blue.
Alright, so we're out here, we got it all set up. You can see now, just here. Not here. Don't worry about it creaking, it just does that. Now, did you sign the waiver? Good. Not responsible.
Yes yet, but
Going on the first try.
I'm a professional. Dude wearing the blue pants and the gray shirt.
Oh! Oh!
You're damn it!
I'll shoot it again!
0 for 2.
Volunteer number 2. Got it. Get him? Oh damn, you got him. Gnarly, dude. Oh. So new spacer, some new bolts, baby. Oh yeah, look at that.
turn it, please.
This is
There's plenty of room there.
oh, we are yeah, we're plenty of room, but just wouldn't go in, so we had to stand on it.
That would be my big daddies.
That's why these came off. They'll never know. How will they know? Well, rough country is like a cheap lift. You're not going around telling everybody you bought a rough country. But this is just a leveling kit, so I don't go. Alright, we finally got the shotgun, got it all bolted back together. But we only got one side done so far. You say it's gonna look like tow mater? We'll just leave one side lifted. That's how I get up. So we got 5 hours into the other side, and this one shouldn't take that long, but we're definitely gonna need some more caffeine. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to dump it on his nose. I meant to where he could drink it. About 5 minutes, we already got this one coming out. Ooh, yeah. It's gonna be quick. A little bit. Are you almost there? Oh yeah, it's clearing. All right. Oh yeah. Tools? Tools. We ain't picking them up. I'm ready to see this. Alright, this is the first time seeing it. It's hard to tell on the incline right now. What's your face? I can't tell right now. Does it look no different?
No, it looks way higher than it was.
Yeah, okay, you don't have to glaze it up like that. I gotta tell him do a couple laps for me. I still haven't seen it from the side yet on a flat surface. Definitely looks a lot higher in the front. Oh damn, alright. That's level. Oh. Oh hell yeah. It's a lot higher in the front. Oh hell yeah, dude. That was pretty good. More. Oh god, yeah. Look at that thing. Hey guys, won't be at me. Oh shit, dude, she just caught that bass. No way.
Did you get it? Yeah.
A few moments later.
I hit one on the first try and have missed 4 since. And that one fell off the arrow. So somebody else's turn now. My turn. Who's next? Who's next?
Kyle.
No takers? Alright, we got the leveling kit on. It's riding pretty good actually. We're gonna test out the suspension out here. Big ass freaking hole coming up. Look at that thing. Pretty good. What do you guys think? They're like, actually, it rides pretty good. It rides better with the leveling kit on it. Sucking old guys who tell me that leveling kit's gonna ruin that damn truck, boy. That was a little rough and a little dry.